As usual, the acting courses, this is not my first one, but I always wanted to do something more advanced. And I think Zara Stars, this is a place to be right now in UAE for acting. It made me feel more open and comfortable in what I'm doing and to continue improving my skill as an actress. I like that the advice was very simplified into three, which I think is very good because brain understands 1, 2, 3 or many. So that's why to prepare and to know what you're doing, so what's before, what's after, and deliver it to make it as simple as possible, and then just your imagination gives you different options. Well, I like that I met a few people who are on the same journey, also very excited and very thrilled about acting, passionate, and that we practice together and rehearse, and we understand that what we want from this experience, from lessons, from the practice, and how we can grow each other and grow together and improve the industry in the Middle East.